Hi, I'm Rubal Chandi, the #1 best-selling author of 90 Days to Life and the creator of Accelerator Business Seminars. What happens after COVID-19? What comes after that? And if you know exactly what is going to happen after this crisis that we are going through right now, then you have a real shot at growing a business to the next level. And if you don't know what is going to happen after, you will be feeling uncertain and scared and confused. And then probably you might not be able to take advantage of the opportunity that are coming in your industry. So let's get in. So first of all, COVID-19 is a real serious issue. I want you to be safe. I want you to be intelligent, be safe, protect your health. Okay. So I wanted to get it out of the way. That being said, there is a bigger financial challenge that is going on behind the scenes. I should call it financial opportunity that is happening behind the scene. World as a whole for the last 12 to 13 years, have been printing money like crazy. Like US have printed around $7 trillion. Collectively in the world, we have around $13 trillion that is created from thin air. We don't have what they used to have called gold standard. Every time you print money, you don't reserve gold and keep gold as a reserve so that you have some sort of protection for your money. They don't do that anymore. So this is like imaginary money that we started printing all over the world. So we have $13 trillion of that in the market right now. And in addition to that, US just printed another $2 trillion. And we need, as a country, US, since I'm talking from the US, we need another around $4 trillion to handle this temporary challenge as of right now. And it might get more than that. So in other words, around $20 trillion with a T, okay, not M, not the B, the T one, okay, $20 trillion, it's a ginormous amount of money, is going to be readjusted in this major financial health-wise challenge. What does that mean to you, right? I'm talking big numbers. I mean, you might be doing a very small business, or a medium business. You might be doing like multiple 7 figures, or you're starting out, or you're doing multiple 8 figures. But what it means to you is, in this shift of defining a new world order, a lot of companies are going to go bankrupt. So more specifically, in the next 10 years, next 8 to 10 years, around 40% of the Fortune 500 companies are going to go bankrupt. Let me say that again. In the next 8 to 10 years, around 40%, that is 4 out of 10 Fortune 500 companies are going to go bankrupt. They are not going to exist anymore. So there is a real opportunity for your business to take market based on your ambition. If you want to replace one of those Fortune 500 company, that's up to you. But if you just want to take more market share in your market, and if there was a ceiling that was stopping you every time you try to, the glass ceiling that we are talking about, right? So every time you try to go up, and all of a sudden there is this market, glass ceiling, because they had more money, they had more marketing budget, they had so many opportunities, you did not, right? That's going to change, right? So we are stepping into a different new world order financially in terms of business, right? So in that, I want you to take advantage of that for your own good, for your family's good, for your clients' good, and for the betterment of the world. The way we did business until right now, it is not working. That is why when we had a crisis like this, we cannot even stay in. The world cannot stay in business for 3 months, meaning we don't have enough cash reserves. We don't have enough planning. We don't have enough long-term thinking, right? So because of that, this model of the world, this model of how we do business, it's going to shift into a new model. And when that new model comes, the people who are going to benefit the most, and this is a more detailed video where we need to go deep into it, and in accelerator programs we get deep into this kind of conversation. But for this video, let me give you one specific thing that you could do to enormously collect market share in this uncertainty. That #1 thing is adaptability. And if I were to stretch it one more level up, it's called super adaptability. The greatest example of not having super adaptability is a Blockbuster. Blockbuster, so that, market is shifting, the internet speed is going up, people don't want to be standing in line to get a CD or VCR. They didn't adapt to the internet, new technology era. they no longer exist in the world right now, right? Netflix took that market, and Netflix is growing as I'm speaking right now during this crisis. Why people are staying at home? It's very convenient for them. This crisis was advantageous to Netflix, right? But a great example in the nature for super adaptability on the other side is water, right? So if water is like going by in a river, and all of a sudden she sees a sharp rock in front of it, do you think the water is going to say, why am I presented with this hard rock, like this sharp rock? I mean, it must be my parents. It must be my parents. I manifested this in my life. My parents, did this to me, did that to me. I'm not underestimating or underestimating any pain that you had or abuse you had if you had to go through some of those. But that's not what the water is saying. It is not paying attention to the story of the past. It's saying, you know what? Oh, there is a rock here. Okay, what do? I just go past that. It's like a little kid. Like if the little kid is walking by and all of a sudden it sees some poop or like some feces on the floor, it's not going to be like disgusted. It's like run above it and go to the other side, and in a joyful way, right? So that's what you're going to do in order for you to overcome this unique challenge that we are facing as a community. This is our defining moment. Why do I say this is a defining moment? The whole world did not have a crisis like this before, right? The closest that we had in our lifetime or in our grandparents' lifetime is Second World War, a global problem that affects most of us. Right now, we are in a global challenge that affects most of us, right? So that is going to shift the economy. That's going to shift the world. That's going to shift the way we do business, the way we operate as a species, right? So when that changes, it is a change. Guess what happened? A change happened. What you need to do is you need to change more. You need to go ahead of everybody else. You need to super adapt. When you are able to super adapt, then you could innovate. You could come up with a radically different idea in your industry and take on your industry. And there is no limit to which you could grow in this time. The upper limit is taken out. The lower limit is taken out too, which means you could go as low or as high in this environment. But your opportunity with adaptation, super adaptation, is to go as high as you want. And that's the invitation that I want to give you. And we are going to step into a different world. It's going to be a little bit scary. It's going to be like a Disney roller coaster. We're going to go up and down. This roller coaster is going to be a challenging one. But at the end of it, just like anybody else, we are going to come out laughing, smiling, excited. But in the journey, we might be scared, we might be confused, we might feel uncertain. But as long as you keep this in mind and you strategically super adapt and innovate in your industry, the industry is going to belong to you. And I want to hear your story, how you're adapting to this new environment and how you are creating so that I could teach other people like you so that we could all grow together as a community. I am giving away my #1 international best-selling book, 90 Days to Life, for free after negotiating with my publisher, because this is a book that is so relevant for what is happening right now. It's a journey from turmoil to triumph. A woman who was about to give up her life to and she transformed her life using the specific strategies that she could implement in her business, including the super adaptability that we were talking about. So you might see a link somewhere around up or down or somewhere in the video. Get that and read that and then learn how to adapt to the next level. Again, I'm Rubal Chandy, the #1 international best-selling author of 90 Days to Life and the creator of Accelerator Business Programs. I look forward to talking to you soon.